We have a bulb. Now we have a bulb that have some issues, so we would just have wires in it in the holder, and now we would see that the bulb is not glowing, but it is just blinking. Yeah, you can see it is just blinking. So we will see the issue. Take off the lid cover, and we will see a dot on an LED. Now the dots mean they are burnt, so let's remove them with a sharp blade. Okay, now with a sharp blade we are going to remove the burnt LED. Now after removing we have to solder or short them. Yes, we have to solder that LED on its top, so both the ends get connected with electric charge. Now we have done, and our LED, we hope so, would get sooner. Now our LED is okay. So let's check it, put it in the holder, and now checking. Oh wow, our bulb is glowing again, and and you can clearly see that the burnt LED is here. Now you can see the burnt LED is not glowing, but the remaining are glowing. So with just a little amount of effort, our bulb is again ready to glow. Thanks for watching the video.